Welcome to our series of videos diving into the timeline view of Plottr. And in this video, we're going to look at saving your own templates to use as the basis of future stories. So here again, we're in a file for the three little pigs. If we'd like to save this structure to use in future stories, we can simply go to the timeline toolbar and click on Save as Template. And here you can give the template a name. So I'll call it My Three Little Pigs. You can give it a description and a source link if you choose. And then you can click Save. And now it's ready to be reused in future books. So for example, I can go to the sequel I'm ready to write. And I'll show you how to set up different books in a series in a later video. But for now, we'll go to the second book in our series, The Wolf Strikes Back. So you can see I have a chapter and a plot line. If I go down to the next plot line and select Use Template, now, under the My Template section, I see the three little pigs. And you can see all of the elements that I created with it, my plot lines and scene cards. So if I select Choose, it has now imported all of the elements from my template. Now, if you want to edit or delete the template that you've created, you can do that from the dashboard. So let's take a look. So here we are on the dashboard under the Files tab. And under Create from Template, if you click there, you'll see My Templates. And if you click on the three little pigs, here you can edit the name, description, and source link, but not the actual elements of the template itself. Or you can choose to delete the template here with the trash can icon. And that covers our introduction to creating your own saved templates inside Plottr. If you found the video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for all our latest videos and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.